Hi guys, so today we're gonna be playing some Northern Frontier on Roblox. Sorry I've not been making videos for ages because I've been busy. So yeah, let's get right in. So we might be doing some hunting in this video. I don't know yet because most of these people camp down there. And it gets really annoying. So I am a TOC officer right now. Yeah, I got 516 coins. 1 second. So yeah, I don't really team up with people. I only team up with people in the group. So just say if this guy wanted, if someone like this guy in there wanted to team up with me, I would say I don't know, because exactly I'm not really meant to be teaming up with random people. I'm meant to be teaming up with my group team. So I got a dual pistol and a blunderbuss. Blunderbuss takes one shot dead. Oh, sorry. This guy thinks he can challenge me. His Kentucky rifle against my blunderbuss will beat. So obviously, oh my gosh, this guy's so annoying. This guy is so annoying. Right, I might 1v1 him when this guy's gone. I'm cold. It's been snowing today when this video comes out, when you watch it. So it's snowing. It is cold. Well, snow's gone now, but not most of it, some of it. But tomorrow it'll be all gone. So this guy thinks he can challenge me. You actually think you can challenge me? You think so? I just need these people to disappear, then I'll 1v1 him. My gosh, this is so annoying. These people are literally. This guy thinks. What's wrong? The hell? These people are so annoying. I'm cold. 1 second. You probably can't hear my voice. Sorry. This guy thinks he can literally. Oh my god. Blunderbuss. I wish I had like a grenade launcher or something. That would be really cool. Go. Wake me up. I'm literally shaking right now. Cause I hate when I die. Cause when I die, I die. I'm warning you. Lol, we're all just like proper aiming at him. We were all a team, we'll probably kill him. My gun looks ugly, but it's proper powerful, guys. For only £60, not real money, in-game money. 60 money is a lot. Oh, this guy might be just trolling. He might not. I'm playing with Platuno now. Oh, the Platuno of a red coat. British. I want their clothes. I want them. Platoon, so have fun. You can't get mine. You can't get mine. Take me up for your go-go. Don't say red coat, evil and not red. I'm not really going to chat in this video. I can't be bothered. Native. Oh gosh, got natives coming in. Got natives, guys. Where is this native? I hate these natives. Well, I used to be one myself. I'm in a group. and it's called like TCT in caps. TCT in caps. Oh my gosh. Oof. Oof, 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 oof. Oof, 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 oof. Get on my way, son. Son. Son, 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 son. Boom. 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 Oh. Native. Cutlass. Dead. Oh my gosh, I don't know what to say. Yeah, I'm on Discord. 1 second. I see a pirate. Let me see this. Oh no, that's just the wheel. I have a dual pistol. Pretty powerful, to be honest. Come on, blah. But why do I always have to glitch out in these videos? I do recommend playing the Northern Frontier, guys. It is a really fun game. Oh gosh, there's a native over here, isn't there? Kill them. Kill the native. Ooh, I don't want to take that stuff. Can't be bothered. Literally. Oh, the guy died because that native killed him. Okay. I was getting kind of suspicious. Wait, is this native? No. I was about to shoot him. Gosh. Oh. So, I do save up my money to get this. Oh no, he not. No. He not dead. He not. No. No, you dead. No. I can see people down there. I said I can't be bombed. Down. Should I say redcoats? Let's say it. Redcoats! They were past. OMG, why is this game not loading? Cause you probably got a slow computer, man. I can't be bothered. Did you know there's sabers if you're like a colonist or not? Like a colonist or a native. Sabers are actually worse than cutlass. It's cheaper. Saber's cheaper. You have already linked your Roblox account. Okay, right, I don't care. Oh, no. Red coats are only October 4. No, I've seen loads yesterday. I saw like 11 attack the native camp. Go. If this guy kills... Okay, right, that's weird. We do it. Ooh, tweet. Wake me up. What's wrong? What's wrong, buddy? Buddy, what's wrong? Buddy, you're trying to kill me, huh? I am not blind. I'm not. Oh God. You go away. So go. Okay, right. Sorry if you heard my dog barking or anything, or if you heard like this beeping right now. It's my dad's phone. And if you heard that bang, my dad just came. So, hoping these are not natives, even though I have the same clothing. I bet he is. What the heck, dude? So, go 10 point olives, 50 Robux, 1 top. Ooh, I don't want it. Create the faction. No, I don't want to. I don't want to. No. So, I bet he's gonna say it's not funny. But anyways, guys. Oh, guys, I'm gonna shoot them. It's gonna be so funny. Well, then probably not here anymore. But I'm gonna shoot them. Are you ready? Are you ready? Are you ready? Ready. Where's the other boy gone? Where's the other one gone? Boy. Oh no. If I saw him, I would have went out. Boy. Guys, we'll be doing more videos. This might have been a boring one, sorry, but next time I'll be doing adventures. So we're gonna end this video here. Hope you subscribe. Hope you subscribe. Peace out.